Diversity is something that it continues to accelerate, and those requirements and the demands for a diverse workforce are ever increasing. And you can see the companies that are successful have that diversity. They have diversity of thought, of perspective, of cultures. It lends itself to increasing their balance sheets and the bottom line. And when you look at companies, say, like SAP or Comcast, as an example, both of which are headquartered in North America, in Philadelphia, and are great ambassadors of diversity, they've been recruiting and intentionally and with purpose for 20 years. So then when you look at other companies in various industries, it's very challenging in science, in STEM, and in a lot of those industrial automation type of industries, finding diversity is critical, and it's very difficult. So what our customers are doing, in many cases, demanding of us that in every shortlist, diversity is well represented. Depending on how they're defining diversity, gender diversity, ethnic diversity, are the two different variables, depending on whether or not you're in North America or we're working on a global assignment. So other customers are making very specific searches, must have diverse hires. And the intentional nature of that and the commitment to that lends itself to a better result. But when we do that, we develop, in every search that we conduct for our customers, we're going to put together a search strategy document that's going to be very thorough. And in that search strategy document, there's an acid test. And that acid test will have 5 to 7 key criteria that we're recruiting for. When we look at diversity in some of those more difficult marketplaces, we are going to look at the primary target pool, the secondary target pool, and the tertiary target pool. So those adjacent marketplaces have great diversity. However, they may not fit all of the 5 to 7 acid test criteria. So flexibility is really key, and advising our customers about where they feel they can be flexible in terms of that acid test is also very important from an advisory perspective.